Today we'll explore a hidden, shocking side of global power, the CIA, and how 10 of its false narrative or covert misinformation campaign have devastated countries, toppled governments, and altered countless lives. Far from Hollywood heroics, this is a history episode. We'll show you how falsehood, when scaled up, destroyed nation, ruined health system, and endangered ordinary people across the world. Segment 1. What are false narratives and why do they matter? False narratives are deliberate lies, propaganda, or misleading stories seeded and spread by powerful actors, often to justify war, coups, or secret operations. For the CIA, these were the most than public relations. They were weapons shaping national destiny. The health and well-being of millions suffered through warfares, famine, military rules, or economic collapse driven by deceptions. Segment 2. Iran, 1953, the Red Menace coup. The CIA labeled Iran's Prime Minister Mohammad Mossadegh as a communist threat to justify Operations Ajax, the coup to overthrow him. They staged false flagged attacks on mosques and planted news stories blaming communists, rallying public anger and legitimizing coups. Results: decades of dictatorship under the Shah, brutal crackdown, and ultimately the 1970 revolution. Segment 3. Guatemala, 1954, psycho war and bananas. President Jacob Albans wants land reforms. The CIA spread rumors he was a Soviet puppet and staged fake rebels broadcast, creating mass hysteria. False radio messages, fake uprisings, and a propaganda bombardment convicted Guatemalans their government had fallen. After the coup, mass killings, civil wars, and decades of trauma followed. Segment 4. Chile, 1973, the Chaos Campaign. Salvador Allende, the elected leader, was targeted by narratives. The Chile was descending into chaos under his socialist government. CIA fake news, forged documents, and economic sabotage justified a military coup led by Pinochet, a dictatorship marked by tortured deaths and disappearance. Segment 5. Vietnam, 1965, the shipment weapons story. CIA staged a shipment of weapons to make it seem that North Vietnam was sending massive aids to communists in the south. Media picked up and spread the story, leading to more aggressive US involvement and years of brutal wars with millions of dead, long-term environmental damages, and generations suffering trauma. Segment 6. The Congo, 1960, fear of communalism. Prime Minister Patrice Lumumba was planted pro-Soviet. Fake stories, covert funding, violent conspiracy, and media manipulations ensued. Lumumba was overthrown and assassinated, plunging the country into decades of dictatorship and conflicts. Millions of Congolese suffered from conflict-driven disease, displacement, and poverty. Segment 7. Afghanistan, 1980s, the holy warrior versus reality. The CIA funneled billions to Mujahideen fighters, crafting the narrative of freedom fighters battling against the Soviet government. Many groups were fundamentalist and leftover weapons later fueled conflict, extremism, terror, destabilizing Afghanistan and the world. Segment 8. Nicaragua, 1980s, freedom fighters and the drugs scandals. The CIA branded US-backed Contrast as legitimate freedom fighters against the Sandinista government while ignoring drug trafficking allegations. Massive human rights abuses, murders, and trauma for civilians followed, plus the decades of instability, poverty, and illness. Segment 9. Iraq, 2003, weapons of mass destruction. The CIA said Iraq has weapons of mass destruction. This claim, repeatedly debunked by experts, was used to justify invasion. The war destroyed Iraq's health system, fueled sectarian violence, and killed or displaced millions. The region remains unstable to this day. Segment 10. Iran, recent. Nuclear myths continued. Recent CIA-backed statements about Iran's nuclear program allege massive secret facilities and pinned catastrophic scenario. Despite disputed evidence, these narratives stoke regional tensions, encourage sanctions, and leave innocent civilians suffering from restrictions, medicine shortages, and economic decline. Segment 11. Other infamous cases. Brazil's 1964. CIA supported and fueled the narrative that President João Goulart was a communist threat, sparkling a military coup and 20 years of dictatorship. Philippines 1950s. CIA exploited superstitions, faking vampire killings to terrify communist rebels and psychological warfare operations. This information everywhere. Paid journalists planted stories and covert operations shaped elections and overthrew governments across Latin America, Africa, and Asia. Segment 12. The human toll. Health systems and daily lives. War, violence, coups, and economic turmoil destroy hospitals, spread hungers, create refugees, and rob millions of basic health rights. The legacy of CIA deception is written in trauma, lost generations, unstable societies, and fragile healthcare across continents. Conclusion. History teaches us narratives matters. Lies when told by the powerful can ruin nations and human lives. The truth is a vaccine against destructive propaganda. If you value peace, health, and justice, question official stories, educate yourself, and share this video to raise awareness, and tell us in the comments which false narrative shocked you the most. What responsibility do media and citizens have in fighting disinformation? Remember, health isn't just about your body. It's about the truth we live in by and the world we build together. Don't just believe in the story, challenge it. The future of our world depends on it.